Hi and welcome to this new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about Madeira. We visited Madeira in 2021. It's an island that belongs to Portugal, but it's quite far into the ocean. For us, it was really doable to get there by plane, and we really had the best time. It is such a beautiful island with a lot of stunning nature. There is a lot to see and to do. Actually, it was better than we ever thought before we went there. And we really want to share our experience and the best things to do, the most beautiful places to go to. Of course, this video is based on our experience. Maybe you have other cool things and tips to add. So please do so if you have any tips. Leave it down below in the comments. So first, we will start by the most incredible hike that we've done. It is from Pico Guerrero. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm sorry about that. To Pico Guerrero. This is a really beautiful spot, especially if you want to see a beautiful sunset. It's just very pretty. So you can drive all the way up to Pico Guerrero. It's about 30 minutes from the main capital, Funchal. So what we did is that we walked a little bit, about 10 minutes, to a viewing point that was a little bit more quiet, and we thought it was even more cool to watch from there. After watching the sun come up and taking really nice pictures, we started the hike. So you have this really pretty hike between Pico Guerrero to Pico Guerrero and back. It has the most amazing viewpoints as well. It was really awesome to do this hike. It warmed up really fast, so in the beginning it was a bit cold. Of course, it was early in the morning, and then soon it was really warm. Be prepared if you do the hike. Hike is not easy. We struggled a bit as well, as in there's just a lot of elevation. You go up and down all the time there. The path is really well marked, so you cannot make any mistakes or get lost. It takes about 6 to 7 hours, but it's really worth it. The next one, the natural swimming pools. So there are 2 natural swimming pools. With these pools, you feel like you're swimming in the ocean because water of the ocean is coming into the pools, is filling the pools. You have a stunning view as the ocean is just right behind you. It's like an infinity pool, but then better. There are 2 swimming pools, and one is more touristic than the other one. So we recommend you to check out both of them. Okay, then Cala da Lapa. That is the hidden gem of Madeira. We really liked the atmosphere there. The view was really spectacular. You had these tiny houses in the coast rocks, and the combination of it was just really pretty. There was a waterfall as well. Tim went up there and he had the whole waterfall to himself actually, because there was no one else. You have to do a little bushy walk or hike to it. A short one though. So if you want to have a fun, chill time where you can have a swim in the ocean and chill and maybe enjoy some barbecue as well, then go there. Okay, so then the fennel forest, that's a magical forest, next level, as if you're in a movie or in a fairy tale. The trees have a really specific weird kind of shape. It makes it really cool to see, especially because during a lot of days there's this fog in between the trees, which makes it even more magical actually. And a bonus, there are cows. Yeah. 25 fontes, that's just literally 25 waterfalls, and those 25 waterfalls all come down to one place, this lake, where you have a stunning 360 view, and you can hike up there. What we did is that we hiked up there, so it took about 2 to 3 hours. It was a really okay hike, not that hard. There's this lavada, that's an irrigation system that goes all the way across the island, and you walk next to it for a long time as well, which is really pretty. It's just a stunning green environment that you're in. Well, it can get a bit busy during the day, so we recommend you to go early. We also went to São Lorenzo. Again, I don't know how to pronounce this correctly. This is a peninsula next to Madeira. It's about 6 kilometers long. It has a beautiful moon landscape. It's really, really cool to see and to be there. You have the most beautiful views of the coastline, of rocks coming out of the ocean. You can hike or walk the entire peninsula, and that's an easy path as well, so it's really okay to do. There's a tiny restaurant that you can have a snack and a drink, and then you can head back. It feels like you're in a different place compared to the rest of the island, which is really, really cool. Next up, we have the waterfall that is coming down to a road. So this one is called Cascata dos Anos. It is located near Ponta do Sol. The water comes from a levada that belongs to the irrigation system of Madeira, and it falls down to the road and into the ocean. And yeah, this is quite special and cool to see. You can have your car washed if you want. We did it. And you can have yourself washed as well. The water is very refreshing, and again, there's a stunning view as well. We also spent some time in the capital of the island, the largest city, Funchal. And this is a city where there are a lot of shops and restaurants and things to do as well. And we had a great time actually. The city is really it has a chill vibe, nice views. There's a harbor, for example. And we also did this thing where we slid down the road. This is a kind of traditional Madeira thing. You can only do this on Madeira. It's just really fun. You go up the hill and then you can slide down. People will help you, and you just get comfortable and slide down the road. It's really fun, as you can see. There are a lot of things that just made our visit to Madeira really special. Also the accommodations that we had. They had the most amazing views. It's really worth exploring the whole island, besides the things that I just mentioned. And please let us know if you have any other recommendations, then that would be great. I think we will go back someday. Thank you for watching. I really hope that if you go to Madeira, you will have an amazing time and that you can use some of our tips. And if you have any questions, please let it know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. See you next time. Bye.